my.
Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna open an evolution pack, the newest one. Okay, just pause the video if you want to read it. Okay, so let's open this pack up. So sorry for the sound if you can hear it from outside. Okay, I never knew what is inside or what it looks like. So okay, and it looks like it's like the base set. I'm not sure the pattern, so I'm just gonna go off normally without doing the pattern. So it looks really cool. So first we have an Electabuzz, Drowsy, oops, Ponyta. So the artwork really looks very cool. Nidoran male, Machop, double colorless energy as the reverse hollow. And we have a Dragonite EX on our first pack. We just only have one. So, like the first EX that we pulled on single pack. Very nice. So I'm gonna keep that aside. Trainer Professor Oak's Hint. Brock's Grit. And last Poliwhirl. I don't know how. Oh, okay. Never mind. So this is probably the best pack ever that I have opened. It's a Dragonite EX. So I recommend you buy this. It looks cool. So like these are all of the other cards we got. So it looks like the base set, I guess. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more of these openings. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.